Hello friends, welcome back to our training video today on Chima Dedicated Video channel. In this video I want to show you how, as a school classroom teacher, especially those of us in the early years, how you can prepare customizable worksheets on different subjects. But in this particular training video, I want to show you customizable worksheet on mathematics for your pupils using Canva. That is what we want to do right away. So I'm going to start. I'm already on the Canva interface right now. So let me go back to home. So I'm going to click on this place. I click on home. I want to go back to the home page so that I can make searches. Now, when you're on the home page, let me show you what you're going to do. You can see up here, this search area. Already you have a YouTube thumbnail. That's not what I want. So I'm going to remove it. Yes. Let me search for, okay. I want to search for math worksheet. So let me click on that already. Math worksheet. Now I'm going to tell you this. When you want to do this, actually, if you are starting anew, I will always encourage you to use already made templates. But you get to a point where you've mastered some of these things, you can do it yourself. In fact, it's most beautiful for you to do it yourself, because that's part of your training, trying to learn how to do stuff yourself. Because everything you're seeing here, someone did it. So you can do all of this. But as long as you're a teacher and all that, technology makes things easier for you. So if you know you can find what you're looking for in all of these templates, I don't think there's any reason why you're still going to be cracking your brain to do certain stuff yourself. So you can see now, these are templates. Now you're going to see all this one that has pro on them. Don't go near them, because once you are done designing them, to download them, you're going to pay. But I am not ready for that for now. So there are so many of them that are so wonderful, so good, but they are still free. So go for them. I want to make a choice of one and show you exactly how to redesign this to meet the need of your class. Very, very, very important. You can see there are so many of them. The one that you can use animals to do, so many of them. But I want to go for this this one that has to do with subtraction. Just watch me. That is this. I want to use this particular template. Let's go right now. So I click on it. Just watch what I do. Every teacher can do this. Just design all these things, download them, and your children, if you cannot print them, that is the best for schools. Now, what I'm going to do is this, because this is subtraction. Solve the subtraction problems below. Now, as a teacher, usually there are 12 questions here. Yes. If you are doing this with children in the lower level, that's early years, you can't give them something without, having an example. So the first thing I want to talk about, let me put the classes here. Maybe look at what you do. Begin to edit now. I want to use the text box here. You can see down here we have design, element, text, gallery, and all that. So I want to use the text box. I click on this text. I choose add this small subheading, because what I'll be writing will be so small. So I want to change this name, maybe my name. I could write my name as what I want to do there. So I write Mr. Chima. Remember, you can always resize all of this. If it's too much, you can resize them. Now the question is it too much? I think it enters, but I can resize them. You need to know how to do all of this. I will still show you. Now, in order not to repeatedly be typing on text to copy text, I can duplicate all of this. Like if I click on this now, watch me. If I click on this name there, I now click on this. This is duplication. In order to duplicate that text so that I can move it to do another thing. This is class. I edit. Now the class could be basic 1. Are you getting it? So that's basic 1. I'll put there. Now I also want to duplicate it so that I duplicate and move on. Now let me give 3 examples for my students or my pupils. Now this one says 10 minus 3, and I know once I put this in there, watch what I'm doing. Without trying to delete them, I go down here and see where you're seeing edit font. So tap edit, automatically you now type what you have. 7 is the answer. Am I right? I've written that one. I can also tap on it to duplicate again because I want to put this here. Now, if you look at this one, 12 minus 5 is also 7. So automatically that is the correct answer. Now I can duplicate again, and it has come here. 13 minus 4, in this case now, is 9. So I'm going to click on edit and then type 9. Are you seeing what I'm doing right now? So you can see I've made it. I can do more of this. If I think I want to do up to 5 and leave the rest for my kids, I can do that. But if I think, okay, 3 is okay, they cannot do the rest of the 9. By the time I'm done with this, now this is the total score. If it is a school that is already doing online learning, that's virtual school system, all this can be pushed directly to your children. Or what do you do when you download them? Are you getting it? You push, if you are using a Google Classroom, like we are doing some trainings recently, you push it to the Google Classroom where the kids are, and they can now download and put their answers. Or are you getting it? Or the answers can be in a question of number 4 answer is this, number 5, and all that. But if it's a school that is not doing online stuff, all they need to do is to print out all of this. Print out one, photocopy, and give to their students. So teachers wouldn't be having problem, because most times we still go online to do this downloading, but we are doing exactly copying what others have done. Teachers of 21st century should learn how to do this stuff themselves, because whatever you think you are copying out there, someone else did it. A teacher like you did it. So part of what we do to develop digital skills in this century is that teachers learn how to do this stuff. And you're going to be very proud of yourself if you do this. You can even decide to, once you are done doing it, you write the name. If it's a school sponsoring this, you write the name of your school down under each of this worksheet. So it becomes your school materials. It's copyright. You are not the copyright owner. If you are just a teacher doing all of this stuff, you begin to, make it a brand. You put your name, any of the designs. In fact, the designs you make, schools can even buy them. Can go to schools and tell them, you can have all of these things, and your name is there. That becomes a brand for you. And that's how this stuff I was. So once I'm done doing this now, the next I'm going to do, I want to leave it this way. The next I'm going to do is to download it. Look at the download. I'm going to click on this place and download this. Now, look at it. If you want to add colors and all that, there's a way to do it. For those of us who don't know how to do this, we have a free resource. If you check this channel now, if you're watching this video from my YouTube channel, check Canva tutorials for beginners. You're going to see a lot of videos on Canva, free resources on how to edit text, you want to add color, you want to resize, you want to do this and all that. So you're going to access all of that. But if you can't get it there, you want us to coach you privately, then contact me. Let me know through the comment box, and I'm going to show you how to contact me on WhatsApp so we can do quality training when it comes to Canva graphic design, tutorials. This way I'm going to stop. I wish you the best. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up in appreciation of what we do. Wish you the best. Thanks for watching.